This washer sticks to that forward input drum, so just be wary of that. Make sure that goes into your parts basket and doesn't get lost. Now you do have this brass washer here, and there is a snap ring in around that output shaft on this planetary. See if we can pop this thing off today. Come on now, baby. Got it! Maybe that'll look good on slow-mo, but there it is. And this planetary should pull right out. Sometimes they'll get stuck. Get you a little tool to get in there. And you can tap on it lightly. There we go. That breaks.